Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete AOL Mail in bulk. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts, Subscriptions, etc. Select Inbox. Now under Inbox, you're gonna find your emails. Go ahead, long press on one of the email, then tap on Select Message. Now select all the messages by tapping on Select All on the top right corner. Then you're gonna see options at the end of the screen where the first option is Delete. Just go ahead and tap on Delete and you can see you're able to delete mail in bulk on AOL Mail. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.